Hey classers, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we bring you the best tips and tricks for your favorite games. Today, we are talking about a common problem, recovering your old Clash of Clans account. Whether you lost access because of new device or forgotten email, haven't played in a while, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. At first, let's begin from the home screen of our mobile phone. Open the Clash of Clans application. For the first step, do you still have a Supercell ID? If you have connected your account to Supercell ID, recovering it is super easy. Once you are in your home screen, tap onto the settings or gear icon. Here you have to tap on to login with Supercell ID. As you can see in my screen, I have already logged in to the Supercell ID. You might see login at the top right corner. Tap on it. After tapping login, you have to enter your registered email and the verification code will be sent to your inbox. Boom, and you should be back in your village. If not, don't worry, keep watching. If you didn't set up your Supercell ID but link your account to Google Play, Game Center or Facebook, recovering it is still possible. Log into your Game Center, open a Clash of Clans and your village should load automatically. And yet, still can't find your account? Then don't panic. You should contact Supercell support. Tap on help and support, then tap on account. Here on the screen, you will see the option of recover your account. Tap on it. A various option will pop up. You have to select according to your preference. And that's it classes. Remember to link your account to a Supercell ID to avoid losing it again in future.
If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.